Hey, hi everyone, it's your girl Global Girl. I moved from the Caribbean here to Ghana exactly 1 year ago. I want to share with you some tips for anybody thinking about moving or visiting Ghana, and this is the cell phone service provider edition. It is not uncommon to have more than one SIM card for more than one service provider, so do not feel any type of way. They are extremely affordable. When I was buying, it was 2 cedis. In Accra, they all work fine enough. However, MTN will always give you LTE. I have Airtel Tigo and I always on 3G. I see LTE up to now. If you leave outside of Accra, you better just please try get an MTN service, because I don't know about Vodafone. I'm pretty sure Vodafone doesn't do too bad, but Tigo is not going to, you're not going to get any bars, or you're going to be on E whole time. I attempted to drive from the eastern region back to Greater Accra and have a work call on MTN, and it wasn't really that reliable. Like, some places you get full bars, some places it was nothing. So if you're trying to do work calls and stuff like that, just stay put in one area to make it happen.